Hinge Dating App Review 2025. Does it really help you find love? Most people get dating apps wrong by assuming swiping alone leads to meaningful connections. In 2025, Hinge markets itself as the app designed to be deleted, focusing on long-term relationships rather than casual matches. Hinge uses prompts and detailed profiles to spark conversations, helping users showcase personality beyond photos. You won't believe what happens next. It encourages users to like or comment on specific parts of a profile, increasing the chances of meaningful engagement. Its algorithm prioritizes people you're most compatible with based on preferences and past interactions. The surprising truth is that Hinge also provides safety features like photo verification and reporting tools, making it a safer platform than many competitors. Premium features allow users to see who likes them, access advanced filters, and boost profile visibility, but many find success with the free version. In conclusion, Hinge in 2025 can help you find love if you're proactive, thoughtful, and looking for more than casual flings. It's not magic, it requires effort, but the combination of prompts, compatibility features, and conversation-focused interactions makes it a strong choice for singles seeking genuine connections.